What's going on, everybody? Ignore the details in this corner over here. That is my messy room. This is the video I've been trying to do for a while. It is the monitor, my super ultra wide Samsung monitor. I posted a picture on Twitter and it's finally here. I'm kind of halfway, not really sitting on the box. I'm kind of floating above the box right now. It is right below me here. So let's jump in and see just how large this is and how well it works in this quick unboxing. Here we are looking at this monitor. It doesn't really fit in the frame. Don't really want you guys seeing this mess over here, but let's pop out my trusty Cobalt knife and let's see just how it looks. It is quite a large one. It almost did not fit inside my tiny little sedan car, my little Kia Forte, but it fit in the back seat, so I'm glad. I didn't have to take an SUV or any truck or anything like that. But it took up the entire back seat of this completely. So let's pop it open. Try to step away real quick. It's kind of a sight to be seen when you look at it. So I'm trying to see. So I guess you guys see on this side kind of its contents. The same thing is shown here. It just shows you the different elements here. It tells you the position. There's a control stick. In fact, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Looking at these little details here, you got your control stick. It says you got the usual controls, yada yada, the usual stuff you've seen in pretty much every other monitor. This box is quite massive. On this far side here, we got ourselves what looks like the power brick and some other things. I'm also having to check behind me in case other things come up. So we got the, what is this here? It says the bracket wall. So I'm guessing, what is the bracket wall? What do they mean by that? Oh, this seems to be its style of VESA mount or something like that. Let me see if it'll focus on it. It doesn't look like it wants to focus on it, but it is its style of VESA mount, I'm guessing. Let's see more. Let's throw this aside, put this over here. You got the power cables. It comes with HDMI, the display port, male to male display port, super speed USB thing here, display port cables, that's what it comes with as well, HDMI cord. So that would mean that I really didn't need to buy this this extra display port cable. And then it's got its power cord. Doesn't look like there's any brick with it. It's just the usual power cord, plugs in the back. The manuals and junk. This is the cable organization for the back of it. This is the back plate. See, there we go. The back plate right there. This is the base here. Now, I'm not actually going to use the base, just mainly because I have a VESA mount. It's kind of just, it's just up there. So I'm not going to use the base, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is, it's actually not that big of a base for the size monitor that it is. Try to take this thing off. There we go. Yeah, this is the base plate. It's not that big. It looks to be, I want to say like 8 inches in depth, but it doesn't look too big. This is the back plate for it. Yeah, this is the back plate for it. So that's all you'll kind of get. I'm not even going to really dig into that. This is its very, very hefty arm or its stand. It's very hefty. Like it is very strong for a heavy monitor. There we go. I'm not even gonna dig into these things here. Oops. I'm not even gonna dig into these things here, but it's got cable management in the back, and then it also looks like it's got a headphone loop. How do I even use this? I'll figure it out in a little bit. But it's got a headphone loop. I'm not actually gonna use it at all. But this is its very hefty stand. So then we have the star of the show here, and that is the actual beast itself. It is quite large and it's pretty heavy. It is pretty heavy and it looks glorious. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this blue area, I'm not sure if it lights up, but this is glorious of a monitor. Glorious. It's curved. It looks glorious. This is a front profile of it. It's clean, smells clean. It is glorious. Let me try to bring it closer. There we go. I really don't have room in here for this. So there it is. This is the monitor. Got fingerprints on it. I know This is the bottom of it. So now let's jump forward and see it fully set up on the desk. It's not 100% done yet. Yeah, I still have some cabling issues that I need to deal with. I still have some like loose cables and some organization stuff that I'm working on. But other than that, yeah, the table looks pretty good. The desk looks good with the monitor. The monitor, I was able to mount it on that VESA mount. You're actually seeing this about a day or two later. The VESA mount just kind of allows me to move it forward and back and kind of tilt it up and down, which I can't really put it down any lower just because my speakers are here. But other than that, the monitor is a astounding success. It's kind of expensive. It's like $11.99. It's $11.99.99 at my local Micro Center. If you get it online or anywhere else, I think other than the Samsung website, it's actually about like $13.99, some ridiculous price. So with that, I would be like, just save up and get the Odyssey G9, the new monitor that they have. That's even more curved than this one is. But so far, so good. Premiere works fine. Assassin's Creed Origins works fine. You can see here I'm on Steam and I was playing Destroy All Humans. A lot of games, I'm surprised, also work pretty well with this resolution. And I'm running the computer off of a DisplayPort cable off of my GeForce 1080. So stay tuned for future videos talking about different apps that I'm looking at and see how they work well with this giant size. This pretty much replaces two 2560 by 1440 monitor displays. So now it's just one display that does both. And as you can see here, if I drag Steam to one side here, and let's say I want to put Twitter on the other side, it works perfectly fine. Yeah, so let's close out this video. And if you guys have any questions about this monitor or anything else I do on this channel, you know I'm going to talk about anything that's cool looking to me that relates to Windows or anything like that. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you're a developer, send me your stuff. I'd love to take a look at your app and just a brief synopsis on what it does and just show the world how it works. And maybe how it works on this giant monitor screen here, which will come in a future video. So my name is Kwaku. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Take care.